Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mojito mint drink. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of white rum, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of simple syrup. Don't forget the club soda and plenty of ice. For tools, grab a sturdy muddler, a tall glass, and a jigger for precise measurements. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's begin with the heart of the mojito, the mint. Place your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves directly into your tall glass. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the mint leaves a few times. The goal is to release their aromatic oils, not to shred them. Over-muddling can make your drink taste bitter, so be gentle. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 2 teaspoons of simple syrup to the glass. With your muddled mint, lime, and simple syrup ready, it's time to introduce the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your preferred white rum into the glass. Next, fill the glass completely with crushed ice. You want a good amount of ice to keep your drink perfectly chilled. Now, take a long spoon and stir the mixture thoroughly for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps to combine all the flavors beautifully and chill the drink evenly. For the final touch, top your drink with approximately 4 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink. Give it one last gentle stir to incorporate the soda without losing too much carbonation. To make your mojito visually appealing, garnish it with a fresh mint sprig, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, and a fresh lime wedge. Serve immediately and savor your perfectly crafted, refreshing mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.